Okay, now we are going to move on, and this time we're going to learn some more modal verbs. Modal verbs are very important for written English, for spoken English, and all that. So, the first modal verb which we're going to learn right now is must. Last time we practiced should, can, could, and all that. Must is whenever you want to emphasize over something. For example, he was late today, not you. Because of him, you were late, okay? So, you must come on time, right? Or if you don't take care of your family, your mother says, you must take care of your family, right? You must focus your English language. Means आपको ज़रूर अपनी English पे focus करना चाहिए. You are emphasizing, right? If he's a careless boy, you can say, you must work hard. You must do something in life. So when you say must, it means you are emphasizing over something, right? Now, this time what you're going to do, you're going to look at him and you're going to say, you must get up early in the morning, you must take care of your family, you must drive carefully, something like that.
Uh, you must get up early in the morning. You must properly eating.
You must eat properly.
You must
खाना सही
properly
खाता है.
eat properly. uh,
And-
you must careful driving.
You must drive carefully.
You must drive carefully, and you must learning English.
You must learn English.
You must तवज्जो देना.
You must.
तवज्जो देना.
You must pay attention
You must pay attention on your business.
to your business
to
or
your
to your
business.
studies. Okay, that is fine. Now you're going to talk to me. You'll give me some advice, huh? Let's see.
Sir, you must explore some new venues for your
Yes,
class.
yes, yes. Why not? Even better than this, huh? Okay.
Yes. You must boost your post on Facebook,
Okay. Okay.
and you must add some new activities in your teaching patterns.
Okay. That's
And-
good. Your turn, please. Now you're going to advise him.
Not,
No, not me. Why me all the time, huh? That's enough. Now to him.
well,
No. About marriage, huh?
you must marry.
Yeah, you must remarry.
Today your daughter is not here, huh? No
yeah,
problem.
she's not
no
here.
problem.
No problem.
Free,
yeah.
huh?
Okay, I'll take your advice.
Okay.
Okay.
You, sir, very happy.
Yeah, I'm planning to
a
visit.
marriage. He told me about marriage. I not tell him. There is a chore hai andar.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
I'm planning to go to UAE actually,
Yeah.
probably in January.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
You must pay attention your studies.
To your studies.
To your study. You must obey your parents.
Yeah.
You must have some competencies.
You must have some
special
competencies.
competencies.
Mhm.
You must have good dressing. Good dressing. You must have good friends.
Okay, you must have some good friends.
Some good friends. You must have. You must pray.
You must offer prayers.
Offer prayers
five
times a day.
Okay, that's good. Now, please, your turn, and you're going to give some advice to your brother. Let's see what you say.
You must get early morning.
You say, Ali, you must get up early in the morning. Like that. Yeah, come on.
Ali, you must obey your parents.
Good.
Ali, you must not play always game.
You must not play games all the
always,
time.
All the time.
Good.
And Ali, you must keep you active.
Yeah, you must keep yourself active, okay? Yeah. Now you're going to advise your sister, okay? Yes, please. Get the mic. You must.
You must take care of your
Good. Children,
children.
without S.
You must focus on the road while you're driving.
Yeah, you must focus on the road while driving.
While
or while
driving.
you are driving.
You must have to take a good food.
Yeah, you must have to take good food.
Yes. you must have to take your care of yourself.
You must take good care of yourself.
You must-
eat proper food, or you can say you must eat healthy food.
You must eat healthy food.
Okay, now listen. This time, whenever you want to stop someone from doing something, you will use the negative of must. That is mustn't. We pronounce it as mustn't. For example, you mustn't get married again, okay? Or you mustn't smoke cigarettes, or you mustn't drive fast, or you mustn't come late. Means आपको देर से हरगिज नहीं आना चाहिए. Right? You mustn't scold your children. आपको हरगिज अपने बच्चों को नहीं डांटना चाहिए. You mustn't. Yes.
You mustn't add. No, sorry. You mustn't add.
Come on, come on.
You mustn't.
Mustn't.
You mustn't eat junk food.
You mustn't eat junk food. And
You
yeah, come on.
you mustn't drive fast.
Okay.
You mustn't angry on your children.
You mustn't be angry with your children.
You mustn't angry with
angry.
be angry with your children.
Okay.
You mustn't obey your
You mustn't obey your family. ये तो गंदा बच्चा है ये, हाँ अच्छा बच्चा है ये नहीं है. You mustn't disobey your parents.
You mustn't disobey your parents.
Good boy. हाँ अच्छा बच्चा है. Your turn, please.
You mustn't use mobile always.
Yeah, answer ले लो भाई. Okay. You mustn't use mobile all the time.
You mustn't outing all time.
You mustn't go for outing all the time. Or you mustn't stay outside all the time.
All the time. And you mustn't sleep on the bed always.
You mustn't sleep a lot.
A lot.
Or you mustn't sleep too much.
Too much.
Okay, that's good. Yes, please.
You mustn't marriage.
All right, sure. पहले final कर लें क्या करना है, okay? You mustn't get married
You mustn't
again.
get married again.
Okay.
One is enough.
All
for
right,
you.
thank you. Yeah, yeah, I understand that. And
You mustn't. You mustn't increase the fees.
you mustn't increase the fee.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Yes.
good. And
You mustn't. You mustn't. Look,
you mustn't waste your time.
mustn't waste your time.
Yeah.
you mustn't look here and there.
Okay.
You mustn't drive fast.
All right.
You mustn't late the prayer.
You mustn't offer your prayers
Offer the-
late.
you mustn't
Offer your
offer
prayers
your prayer late.
Okay, good. Next, please.
Can we use we instead of you?
Yes, yes. We mustn't.
We mustn't.
We mustn't. I mustn't. They mustn't. All fine.
We mustn't waste our time.
Good.
We mustn't waste our energy in unproductive.
Yeah, we
areas.
mustn't waste our energies on unproductive things
Okay.
or unproductive activities.
On unproductive activities.
Good. And
things, and we mustn't use internet abusively,
okay.
and we mustn't watch television
We mustn't watch television too much.
too much. Yes.
Right? Good.
That's what
Yes.
I'm trying.
You mustn't wake late night.
You mustn't remain awake late at night. You mustn't remain awake
You
late
mustn't
at night.
remain awake late night.
Hmm.
I mustn't traveling without reason.
I mustn't travel without
Reason.
without a reason. Okay.
I mustn't play game a lot of time.
I mustn't play games a lot of times. Okay.
I mustn't driving.
I mustn't drive.
I mustn't drive
I mustn't drive fast. I mustn't drive carelessly.
carelessly. We mustn't music loudly.
We mustn't play the music loudly, or we mustn't play loud music.
We mustn't play loud music.
Okay, this is good. All right.